In this video, we are going to configure BGP on Cisco router. So here is my topology. On R1 and R2, I have chosen the subnet 10.12.1.0/24, and on LAN side on R1, I have chosen 192.168.1.0, and on R2 side, we have 2.0 subnet. So let's configure the BGP. So we have used the VPCs, and I have you can configure this IP address using this command IP slash subnet CIDR value and then the gateway. So you can test by pinging the network. Let's configure the BGP. So as I mentioned previously that this is my IP address is on R1, and I am going to configure BGP on this router. So use this command router BGP. We have to type here the ASN number, AS number. I am choosing 65100. And then first of all, we need to advertise both this network, that is 10.12.1.0, and mask command to tell the router what is the subnet mask of this network. Similarly, for this network 192.168.1.0, subnet mask will be same. Then we have to type the neighbor and neighbor IP address, that is 10.12.1.2, and remote autonomous system number, that is 65200, that we will configure later. Now go to the R2. This is the IP address that is assigned to this router. Now configure the BGP. Use the network command 10.12.1.0 and advertise the network. Type its subnet mask. Then for the second subnet, and then type the neighbor address. Neighbor address is 10.12.1.1. Remote AS is 65100. So we have advertised the network and also specify the remote IP. Soon you will see this notification BGP neighborship is up. We can check the neighborship with show IP BGP summary. So this will tell you that this is in your neighbor IP address and version is 4. AS number is this. These are the messages that are being sent and received, and this is the uptime. And these are the state or prefixes received. State can be active, idle, established. So we will ping uh, once the first VPC sees yes, it is successful. So here you will see some prefix will be you will see some prefixes on this first router. You will see a notification. We can see the neighborship has come up, And this is the time you can see from how many uh, minutes or days your BGP session is up. And here we can also ping from here. So we have configured the BGP. Then check further show IP BGP. There are various parameters that you can check. We have used the summary command. Check the summary of the BGP. So in this way, you can configure the BGP on Cisco router. Thanks for watching.